Unit 7 Trigonometry. There are two types of special right triangles, the 45-45-90 triangle and the 30-60-90 triangle. As you can see on the left, the 45-45-90 triangle consists of two 45-degree angles and one 90-degree angle. The two sides labeled L are the legs, while the side labeled H is known as the hypotenuse. Each leg in the 45-45-90 triangle are equal, while the hypotenuse is equal to the measure of the leg times the square root of 2. The other special right triangle is the 30-60-90 triangle. As you can see on the right, it consists of one 30-degree angle, one 60-degree angle, and one 90-degree angle. The hypotenuse is 2 times the measure of the short leg, while the long leg, which is adjacent to the 30-degree angle, is the square root of 3 times the measure of the short leg. The unit circle is a circle with a radius of 1 centered at the origin 0, 0. When working with the unit circle, you can receive either a positive or a negative measure. You get a positive measure through counterclockwise movement and a negative measure through clockwise movement. Coterminal angles are angles that have the same initial terminal sides but different rotations. Basically, they are on the same point of the unit circle but have different angle measures. For example, the 360 degrees is coterminal with 0 degrees. Reference angles are how many degrees from the closest x-axis you are. They are always less than or equal to 90 degrees. For example, the reference angle for 120 degrees is 60 degrees. Radians are the same thing as degrees. Here is the formula to convert radians to degrees. Put the top radian value and multiply it by 180, then divide the top half by the bottom half. Here's the formula to convert degrees to radians. Put the degree as a numerator and 180 as a denominator, then simplify. You can solve these practice, or can you solve these practice problems? Pause if you need more time. Here's the answers to the practice problems. The next topic is trig ratios. We have a triangle with one angle marked. Using angle x as a reference, the hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent sides are marked accordingly. Sine is the ratio of opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is the adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent is sine over cosine, so it is opposite over adjacent. Secant, the opposite of cosine, is hypotenuse over opposite. Lastly, cotangent, which is tangent reversed, is adjacent over opposite. There is a practice problem, and if you want to solve it, please pause the video. The answer to the practice problems are: there are 3 Pythagorean identities on the paper. We have 2 practice problems. Pause the video to solve it. The answer to question 1 is: the answer to question 2 is:
In this video, you learn basic understanding of the unit circle, knowledge on how to convert between radians and degrees, knowledge on trig ratios, and knowledge on trig rules. We hope you enjoyed this video.